guys, this is Natalie from Simply Natalie. Welcome to my channel. In this episode, I'm gonna share with you how to make cilantro chicken, cilantro lime chicken. Cilantro lime chicken is perfect for summer, perfect over the rice. I use cilantro lime rice as well. I can share with you as well. The recipe is amazing, and I love to use this over a salad if you have leftover. So I like to make a double batch so we can store some in the refrigerator for the next day, and we can use over the salad or either over rice, you name it. It's so delicious. It's perfect for anything. So what I do, I sear it on both sides on a pan, and then I finish cooking in the oven, and it's so delicious, amazing. I can't wait to share this with you. So let's get started. For this recipe, I'm using a chicken meat. You can use chicken breast. I'm using a chicken thigh, bone in and skin on. I bought 8 pieces, and I'm using this container. You can use any container, flexible for you. And we're gonna season with salt. There. Then I'm gonna use freshly ground black pepper. There. Cayenne pepper. Not much cumin. And I'm using about a tablespoon of cumin. I also have chili. You can use either chili. I have chili lime, since this recipe with lime, it's called lime chicken. So I'm gonna use lime chili, about 1 teaspoon as well. We need a lot of cilantro. And this recipe, if you prefer less cilantro, of course you can use less cilantro, but I'm gonna use about 1/4 of cilantro to this recipe. I'm using about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cloves of minced garlic, juice from 2 limes, and zest from 2 limes. So make sure your limes are washed. Smells so fresh over here. There, should be enough. Let's use that lime juice. Should we? I'm gonna use some olive oil, and we need plenty of olive oil, and honey. How about honey? Oh yeah, this recipe asks for honey. So we are using some honey, not much, but just give that glaze, that beautiful glaze. Now dig in with your hands and just make sure all those chicken well coated. Now I'm gonna cover this with the lid, and I'm gonna store this in the refrigerator about at least for a couple hours, but I'm gonna do it overnight, so I'm gonna cook this tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow. So here I got overnight marinated chicken. Now I'm gonna sear it in a pan, and we're gonna finish cooking it in the oven. So I'm gonna add olive oil. On a high heat, I'm gonna sear my chicken. Look at this cilantro, it's all marinated. So I'm gonna sear the chicken skin side down in a hot pan. So skin side down, and I wanna hear that sizzle. That's what you wanna hear. So then we're gonna get that amazing, beautiful mark. There. So I'm gonna cook this on the other side, and I'm looking for these brown marks. That's exactly what I'm looking for. And remember, the chicken is not fully cooked yet. So we're gonna finish cooking this chicken in the oven about for 400 degrees for 20-25 minutes, all until it's tender, juicy, and delicious, and all cooked too. 20 minutes later, I am telling you, the fresh cilantro on top is everything. And the chicken is fully cooked through. Try to grab this with a fork, it didn't happen, so just gonna get this with my hands. Wow. Delish, so good. I love this dish. Perfect for summer. The cilantro and lime, perfect with this chicken glazed with honey, perfect for summer, perfect for weekend. I would serve this with on the top of the salad, orzo, rice, you name it. That's all. So good. I hope you enjoy spending time with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.